Hello friends, now let us see minimization using 4 variable K-map. In case of 4 variable K-map, the number of cells will be equal to 2 raised to power 4, that is 16 cells are there, and these 16 cells are represented by 2 rows and 2 columns. Okay, and it looks like this. Suppose the variables are A, B, C, D. Okay, and in case of variables, these variables, this represents MSB and this represents LSB. So this particular cell, for this particular cell, the decimal value will be 0. A is equals to 0, B is equals to 0, C is equals to 0, D is equals to 0. Similarly, for this cell, the value will be 1. For this cell, value will be 2, 3. Then jump downward, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Then jump downward at the lowest row, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Okay, you can also use this method or you can use this method in which these AB variables are written like this. A, B, C, D. However, in this case, the numbering will be like this: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. I will use this format of 4 variable K-map throughout my explanation. Okay, so let's copy this. Now in 4 variable K-map, possible groupings are possible grouping of cells are one cell, how? 2 raised to power 0, 2 raised to power 1, 2 cells, 2 raised to power 2, 4 cells, 2 raised to power 3, 8 cells and 2 raised to power 4. That is 16 cells. If single cell is considered, then no variable gets eliminated. If a group of 2 cells is formed, then one variable gets eliminated. If group of 4 cells is there, possibility of group of 4 cells is there, then 2 variables gets eliminated and so on, like 3 variables gets eliminated for group of 8 cells and all the 4 variables gets eliminated and the output will be 1 in this particular case. Okay, So let's first see the possible groups of 16. Group of 16 cells. In this particular case, if all the cells are filled up with 1, then it forms a group of 16 cells, and this results in a function f is equals to 1. Now let's see the group of 8 cells. Group of 8 cells. In case of group of 8 cells, the possibility of forming 8 cells can be like this. Okay, that is, if a 1 1 is at this position, okay, so in this particular case, because for this group of 8 cells, b remains same and b's value is b bar. Okay, because 3 variables will get eliminated here in this particular case, and the variables eliminated are a, c and d. Let's another way of forming 8 cells. Suppose 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 is there, then it is possible to form this group of 8 cells, and in this particular case variable a remains same and its value is a bar. Similarly, you can also form a group of 8 cells like this: 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1, like this. Okay, this results in b. You can also form, so many possibilities are there. Now I will summarize this grouping. That is, grouping of 8 cells. You can form this group, you can form this group, you can form this group. Okay, you can form this particular group. These are the groups row wise. Possibility of group of 8 cells. Similarly, if we form group column wise, then this is group of 8 cells. Okay, this is a single group here. This is a group of 8 cells. This is a group of 8 cells. This is a group of 8 cells. All these are group of 8 cells. Now group of 4 cells. In case of group of 4 cells, so many different possibilities are there. That is, you can form group of 4 cells like this. This is a group of 4 cells. This is a group of 4 cells. the gray code agency must be considered at the time of forming of groups. Okay, all these are group of 4 cells like this. This is also a group of 4 cells, this is also a group of 4 cells, and this is also a group of 4 cells. You can also form groups like this. This is also a group of 4 cells, and this particular forms group with this one, and this particularly forms group with this one. One more possibility you have to remember that if 4 number of ones are available at corners, 1 1 1 1, then this is also a group of 4 cells. Okay, and this equivalents to, because at the time of forming group of 4 cells 2 variables gets eliminated, then the function results in a mean term with 2 variables only, and in this particular case this will be b bar, because b bar is constant here, and this is your b bar, and if we see vertically, then b bar is constant. Okay, so let's have an example, and there are so many different possibilities of forming 2 cells. Okay, then let's have an example of 4 variable k-map. Suppose the question is function a b c t with summation m 0 3 6 8 12 14 and 15. Okay, so let's see the solution. We have to minimize this Boolean function. We have to insert 1 for all these mean terms: 0 3 6 8 12 14 and 15. You can see here no group of 4 cells is possible. Our group of 2 cells is possible here. First group of 2 cells is this one, second is this one, third is this one, fourth one is this one, and fifth will be your choice. You can group this particular one with either this one or this one, so it's your own choice. I am forming its grouping. Sorry, this is no, here it is not a group because this is a decimal value. Here it is 0, so the possibility of groups are this one, and you have to group this one with this one, and there is no grouping is possible for this particular one, so This is a single cell. Now let's start writing its mean terms. Here mean term for this single one will be A bar, B bar, C, D. For this group, B bar, C bar, D bar. For this particular group, A, C bar, sorry, this must be D bar here, C bar, D bar. For this particular group, B, C, T bar. For this particular group, A, B, C. So the function will be equal to A bar, B bar, C, D plus A, C bar, D bar plus B bar, C bar, D bar plus A, B, C plus B, C, D bar, and this will be your final answer. Let's have another example. Example 2. Summation function A, B, C, D is equal to summation M 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Let's see. Fill up the K-map for each of the mean term. Here the mean terms are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Here group of 8 cells are possible, and this group is this one. The largest possible group is this one and this one. The condition is that you have to form minimum number of largest possible groups. So the first group represents, because it's a 8 cell group, the 3 variables will get eliminated and it results in A bar here, because A bar remains constant. Okay, for this particular cell group, and for this cell group B remains constant. So the final answer will be A bar plus B. This is your final answer. Thank you.